All right, guys, we got Gabe helping us out with this one. Anyways, we got a 2011 Yukon Denali 6.2 liter, and if you can hear that sound, that is going to be the air electronic suspension control, whatever you want to call it, your air ride suspension in the rears. And that's so that when you have a heavier load, for example, Great Dane, it's going to put air into that rear suspension to level out the vehicle. But we do have a hole somewhere in that system, and it's driving my mom and my dad crazy. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to find that fuse, just unplug it for a short-term peace and quiet until I have the time to come around and replace it. So fuse box is going to be right here on the driver's side. We're going to get that popped up. Alright, now we've got the fuse box open. The fuse you're going to want to look for if you're just either looking to shut that compressor off because you have a leak, or if it's not working at all. You're going to have 3 fuses. You're going to have fuse number 2, which is going to be pretty much, it runs the control module. I'll get a little closer to it here. Oh, sorry. This is going to be our number 2 fuse. That is going to run pretty much the whole control module for the leveling system. Next, you're going to have fuse number 58. We'll go over here. 58 is going to be all the way at the top. It's going to be a bigger fuse. This one right here. This is what runs your actual compressors. So this is where that power is drawn from. The last fuse you want to check is going to be fuse number 54. Let's see, where is that one? 54, right there at the bottom. So, number 54 is going to be that 10 amp right there. So if you're having issues with that air ride system, or it's ALC is what it says on all these. It means automatic level control, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. But if you're having issues with the system not running correctly, whether you want to shut it off or you want to figure out why it's not working, you want to check number 58, number 54, and number 2. In this case, I'm just wanting to shut it off because I know it's leaking and it's annoying. So we're just going to pull the control module fuse here. Just pull that out. And that's going to keep that compressor from kicking on 24/7. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helped you out.